Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is Blended Art Studio. In today's video, I want to show you how to be more effective as an artist. Before I get to the content of the video, I just want to say today is my birthday. Well, nothing special about that, but yeah, probably gonna see a movie, lick some ice cream, eat something yummy, and all this kind of fun stuff. Number one way to get effective as an artist is to be consistent. Now, if you want to be more effective, you have to learn to draw every day. A good way to trick yourself to draw every day is to tell yourself that drawing is not work, it's fun. So make sure you're having fun while doing it. Make sure you're listening to music, make sure you're comfortable, make sure there is fan blowing you, you're not hot. Just make sure to have fun drawing. That way you'll be more effective as an artist. The second one is to not do everything yourself. Try and get help. Now, I thought being an entrepreneur, trying to start a business by yourself, you have to do everything by yourself. But it's not true. The main thing you should do yourself is the drawing itself. Any other thing you can delegate to others, please do delegate. So for example, I find myself always stressing out with buying materials and delivering portraits, and I found out that those things were wasting so much of my time. So I can spend some hours drawing and spend longer hours delivering the portrait, coming back home tired, sleeping and wasting the whole day. Doesn't just make any sense. It's not worth it. So as an artist, especially an artist that works for clients, a portrait artist, you should focus on negotiating with your clients, doing the work itself, and then delegate other things you can delegate. Don't be scared to pay other people to work for you. Such is life. So that's number two. The third way to be more effective as an artist is to have stock of materials at hand. That is, you don't want to always be looking for paper when you have a job to deliver tomorrow. So have enough materials on ground. Have a lot of papers, have a lot of pencils, have a lot of framing materials and whatever. Just have them on ground. At least plan ahead of time, like 10-20 portraits ahead, so that you don't get to always rush to buy materials every time you get a new job. So please have stock of materials. It really helps and really helps you to be more effective as an artist. The fourth way to be more effective as an artist is to learn to draw faster. Learn to time yourself and draw faster. So if maybe when you started you could take 6-7 hours to do a simple 10x12 portrait, make sure you are always trying to beat that high score, that time, and maybe this time you can actually do it in 3 hours or 2 hours 30 minutes. I think I've been able to do 2 hours 30 minutes for a standard 10x12 portrait. That's like my high score. So I also try to beat that every time. So it really helps to learn to draw faster. Some drawing methods actually make you faster. For example, if you shade with brushes, using graphite powder, you get to use a fat brush and cover a large area of shading that would have taken much more time using just pencils and then having to blend again. So there are techniques you can actually practice to help you draw faster. Also, to help you draw faster, you should time yourself. Because there's this trick about time, is that you don't know it's going. while it's going. So you don't know how much time you're wasting while you're wasting time. So have a timer. I always work with a stopwatch. You can see that in the last video I made when I was painting. There's actually a stopwatch there. So I'm always timing myself 10 minutes intervals, 15 minutes intervals, just to be on track and just to help speed things up. So yeah, learn to draw faster. To be more. Now the fifth way to be more effective or efficient as an artist is to learn how to multitask. Learn how to do multiple jobs simultaneously, because there will be times when you have to, deliver like 2 or 3 portraits within a week. And one thing I did, when I started, I found out that was really slowing me down was, if I don't finish one portrait, I don't start another one. And I'm laughing at myself because it was really stupid. I'm just saying. Because some portraits get slow at some point, maybe some unnecessary details on the shirt, and you're wasting hours just drawing the shirt or the hair when you could be doing something else. So do multiple jobs simultaneously. Start all the jobs you have on ground immediately. Start them, then the way I do it, I use a 15 minutes interval to switch, maybe 30 sometimes. So after working on one for 15-30 minutes, I'll put it aside, take another one, 15-30 minutes, put it aside, and just keep rotating over 4 or 5 portraits. And thank God it's drawing, you're working with a reference picture, so you don't get confused. You're not going to mistakenly draw another detail in another one. It's not going to happen. So try and multitask and work simultaneously. Do multiple portraits at a time. It really helps. The sixth way I want to give you to help you to be more effective as an artist is, this one has nothing to do with the art part of the work. It has to do with the business part of the work, because as an artist, as far as you want to make a living out of it, you have to also be business minded. That means you have to work with clients. That means you have to negotiate price. So it really helps to make use of WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is an app just like WhatsApp, made by WhatsApp, but it helps you to be more efficient in your chatting. You have quick replies, you have catalogs, you have many awesome features. I just cannot do that quick reply. So I have my prices, my pictures, my frame sizes, all in different categories of quick replies. I have my introduction, my greetings. I have my account number, of course, very important, in a particular reply, so that within 2 minutes I can be done negotiating price with a serious client. I say serious client because serious clients will come with their high resolution picture immediately. They will be ready to pay their advance payment, and they don't want to stress you with too much talk. But it really helps to make use of WhatsApp quick reply. It helps. So if you're not currently negotiating with clients using WhatsApp Business, please try it out. It will help you. If you are one of those top artists that prefer to use email, well, that's good for you too. You know what, just to put it out there, WhatsApp drops the resolution of pictures. So when you ask for your client to send you their reference picture, they are going to send it as a picture, and it's going to drop the resolution, and that is going to directly affect the quality of your work, because a poor picture is going to produce a poor drawing. So what you do is ask them to send it as documents. So but that's another video for another day. So that really helps. Alright, I'm almost done with all the tips I have for today, but the last 2 tips, I'm just going to put them together, 7 and 8. So number 7 is learn to frame your portraits yourself. Now, just so you know, these tips are for portrait drawing artists. You can apply some of them to a normal artist. Maybe you're not working for clients. I believe the part of timing yourself will also work for anybody, even any profession. Doesn't have to be an artist working with time. But this one is specific for portrait drawing artists. You should learn to frame your portraits yourself. To me, this is the bomb of all the tips because the stress of going to a frame shop, waiting for you to get to your turn for them to frame your portrait, and then finding the client to deliver it to, it's too much for you. It's not worth it. So learn how to work with the framing materials. Buy the materials, learn how to use them. The sticker, the board, the frame itself, the nails, the hooks, the hammer, the top bond. Learn how to use them, learn how to frame your portrait yourself, and also learn how to package it yourself, because there's nothing worse than handing a portrait to your client without wrapping it or packaging it or something. So these things you have to learn and improve on it. It really helps. It will really speed things up for you. So rather than using hours to go and frame a portrait outdoor, if you have your materials with you, you can do that in 30 minutes. And then this is the last tip. Get a delivery service. Okay? Don't be afraid to pay someone else to deliver your portrait for you. If you cannot get a quality logistics delivery service within your region, then make use of your friends, your siblings, anybody that is less busy. They will gladly do the work for you if you pay them well. So don't be afraid to spare some change to save yourself some time by getting someone else to do your deliveries for you. So I hope I've helped you with these 8 tips on how to be more efficient as an artist. I know they've helped me, so I decided to share them with you. I'm not that experienced, but I have like 2-3 years experience, and maybe this is just my birthday gift to you. So if you have any birthday gift for me, you know where to reach me. I'm on WhatsApp, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on YouTube. Obviously, this is YouTube. So if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and share it with a friend. Share this video with a friend. Share the video to any artist you know. And this is not a tutorial on how to draw that only beginners will need. This is a tutorial for any artist and every artist. So please share it. I would really love that. And until next time, I'll see you again. Whew. I think I like standing. I think I like this whole standing stuff. I think I have more energy standing down than when I'm seated. Yeah.